Let's talk about the trade of the day and the trade that I missed. And here it is, right here. It's the trade of the day. You took 2 points of heat and potential of 43. Now, this was not a high time frame level that you could say, oh, you know, they bounced off a 1 hour level and it had a big bounce. No, this was just price action and I missed it. And I'll tell you why I think I missed it. So here was a break level. And this is a break level. And this is a break level. So let's delete these. So let's look at this. Price is going up, 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 up. We're really looking for longs. The arrow at this point would be up. We're looking for longs. Then we start going sideways, and then we take out this first break level. And I think that's really important to note the first break level. That doesn't mean we go from up to down. So I kept it up actually because we've been pretty strong today up since we tried to take out the overnight low. So it did take out this break level here, which is the first red flag of, oh, hold on, let's watch what happens. And then it consolidates for a while, creates a new break level. However, this was the first attempt at laddering down. You had this fair value gap right here. Came up so close to it. This should have been considered in my book ladder one, trying to ladder down. Then price comes down really hard and takes out this break level. This is break level number 2. I do not recall during the trading if I went to balance here yet. Somewhere in here I went balance, but I don't exactly remember. But when two break levels are taken, this should probably go balance, which means we take either shorts or longs. Instead of us here looking for longs, maybe we move this where it's balanced when it takes out 2. Now, I'll tell you what I was looking at. You know, where is the break level? You know, Cotton measures it in multiple different ways. I tend to go by the body, by the wick, and as you can tell, it didn't really take out this break level. And because we'd been laddering up strongly, I was looking to see if we started laddering up off this break level. I'm going to drop down to a 1 minute time frame. So let's look at this from a 1 minute time frame. Comes down, touches the break level, but doesn't take it out. Had this thing taken it out, I know I would be looking for shorts. But because it didn't take it out, I'm thinking we could be laddering up. And I started to look for evidence of laddering up. No evidence really. But when we went up here, I said, okay, are we laddering up? Where would the ladder up occur? Let me go back to 3 minutes because I do go to 1 minute and I'm trying to see, are we laddering up? The 3 minute actually provided the best view here. So I had a hold level here. We had 2 candle clearance. I even said, okay, guys, we have 2 candle clearance. If this thing comes back, you could go long. But the reason I would not go long is because this would be the first ladder up for going north. So this would be the first ladder up if it bounced. And I like to be in on the second ones. I like to be on the second ladder up. Right here is where I would want to go long, not on the first. So I did not take that long. Thank goodness. Because many times the first ladder up fails. So the fact it didn't take out the break level, I really wasn't looking for a short. However, I should have been because we took out 2 break levels. I should have been looking for either trade. because this is clearly the second ladder down is really the word. The second ladder down. Plus, we missed something in confluence. Me and another trader, we both said, hold up, we missed this. We had the 144 right there in confluence with our level. Look at that. That was a trader error. Price analysis error. Should have been short there, even if it was 1 MES. 1 MES with 40 points is $200. It's nothing to sneeze at. So I missed that. So in your own price action analysis, when you take out two break levels, move your arrow to balance and move your brain to, hey, I'm looking for shorts or longs. And I should have been more acutely aware. Ladder, ladder, big vomit. And you got a second ladder, but you didn't get a second entry because price didn't come up. You really need to be in the second ladder.